Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So, quick question. Can you guys keep a secret? Because I'm about to show you something very, very cool. I mentioned in the last video that I was going to give you a little bit of a surprise. So, here it is. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek on the new course that we're going to be releasing very, very, very soon. Can you guys guess exactly what this one's about? It's one of the things that a lot of people have been asking for, so we're gonna be looking at animation, guys. There we go. Let me set the project real quick. I finished recording this course a little while ago, and it's getting ready. It's getting ready to be out there. So here's a quick look at what we're gonna be looking at. This animation course, we prepared as a team with very nice tools for you guys. So this is an introduction level animation course, and we're gonna be covering the basics of animation. So I'm gonna show you just the first exercise. Let's take a look at the first exercise first, and then I'll show you a couple of more interesting ones. So let's go for the look at the amount of exercises that we're gonna be seeing. There's like 10 or a little bit more. It's 10 hours of content. It's a great one. I'm really proud of how this one turned out. So if you like the courses that we've been doing so far, if you like the courses that I teach, then I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love this one. So here we go. This is the first exercise. This is just the first like 30 or 40 minutes of the course, and I'm gonna be showing you how to properly animate the traditional bouncing ball exercise. But not only that, we're gonna be doing a very floaty ball, this like beach volleyball or beach ball. We're gonna do a heavy ball, like a bowling ball, and our traditional like bouncy ball. So throughout this course, we're gonna be exploring super simple exercises like the one that you're seeing right here, and then we're gonna be increasing the level and the intensity of the exercises until we get into a very nice position. I don't want to spoil the final exercise, but it's a really cool one. I think you guys are gonna really like it. So let me show you one of the other ones that I really love. We have a wall jump. There we go. So this one I really like as well. There's this little guy here from this is an ultimate rig. We're gonna be using some rigs from the internet, some very generous riggers that I've provided them. And this one, it's a very simple wall jump. Blue. There we go, with a little bit of follow through overlap. And not only that, we're gonna be doing some camera animations as well. So panels, look through selected. There we go. So look at this. Very nice, cool little animation of our little fella right there jumping. So all of the exercises that we cover throughout the course are recorded completely live. There's no like time skips or anything. We see every single process. It was quite a challenge to make sure that I included everything in such a way that it's interesting and that it's useful for you guys. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get a lot of very good information out of this. Let me show you one last exercise here that I really like, because after we do the basics, after we play around with some of the basic rigs here, we're gonna be going into some more intense characters. And I have this. Which one is it? The baseball. Let's see the baseball. I really like that one. Baseball pitch. There we go. And then we're gonna be moving on to character animation, just like general body mechanic things. So let's take a look at this. There we go. We have our image plane or reference right there. And just look at how smooth this animation looks. Look at this. There we go. Very cool, right? So I'm gonna be showing you all the tips and tricks, all the techniques, all the mindset that you need to have in order to animate this sort of thing. Now, I did create a very cool animation here on the camera. Let me see if I can show it to you. There we go. Yeah. So we have this like going in there, and then boom, we just get hit and the camera falls to the ground. And I'm going to be showing you not only character animation, camera animation, also a little bit of rendering animation, how we can do like fade to blacks and stuff inside of Maya to make sure that your animation looks the best possible way. So this is it. This is our new course. The new course will release with a price of $9.99 USD. So make sure to check that out, because as soon as the course releases, there's going to be that very nice promo for you guys, and just make sure to utilize it, because otherwise, after a couple of days, it's probably going to be gone, and you're going to have to pay full price. And I don't want you guys to miss this, because again, we're really proud of this product right here. I think a lot of you out there have what it takes to become great animators, and I believe that this course will be your first introduction, a very good first introduction to the animation world. So that's it for me today, guys. If you liked this little sneak peek, let us know in the comments. We're working on more premium courses for you guys. We're still gonna be doing our traditional like weekly courses and tip videos and everything. We love you guys. We love the support. The community has been growing quite a bit in the last couple of weeks, and I'm really happy to be part of this. So again, thank you guys. Make sure to stay tuned. So leave a like, share, comment, and I'll see you back on the next one. Bye bye.